Today, I'm going to share with you how to create passive income from YouTube, a really promising source of income that many of us are looking for. The truth is, there are plenty of YouTube channels out there that, after just 6-12 months of hard work, have managed to generate between $200 and $300 a day, only working about 4 hours a day. However, not everyone is able to achieve this. Many people give up after nearly half a year of consistently creating videos because their content doesn't get many views. One major reason for this is picking the wrong niche from the start. You could have the most well-produced videos, but if they're not about topics people care about, they're not gonna get views, right? So, in this video, I'm going to suggest 6 faceless YouTube channel ideas that are currently trending and that other YouTubers are using to generate automatic income. Plus, at the end of the video, I'll share how you can create videos like theirs in just 10 minutes using AI. But before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos on how to make money online. Alright, let's get into step 1, choosing a niche. You can pick any niche from the list below. Niche 1, affiliate marketing. This is a niche that can earn you a lot of money because it offers multiple income streams. For example, the channel Vacuum Wars reviews vacuum cleaners without showing their face. Since vacuum cleaners are an essential item, people tend to search YouTube for reviews before buying one. You can place affiliate links in your video descriptions and earn a commission when viewers purchase products through your links. Most people use affiliate links from Amazon and ClickBank. If you're not sure how to find products on ClickBank and Amazon, I've made 2 detailed videos about that. You can find the links in the description below. Another income stream comes when your channel starts getting consistent views. Brands will reach out to you for collaborations. They might pay you anywhere from $100 to several $1,000s for a review video, depending on your channel's popularity. This can be a significant income source. Niche 2, health. The channel Body Hub creates content related to health and fitness and gets tons of views because this is a topic everyone cares about. Of course, health is a hot topic because everyone wants to be healthy, right? Once your channel starts getting steady views, you can also promote affiliate products on ClickBank. If you're an expert in this field, you could also sell your own health courses. Just think, if 1,000 people watch your video and just 1% of them buy your course, you've already created a nice passive income stream. Niche 3. Kids content. The channel, Just for Kids, focuses on content for children and has been incredibly successful despite the high competition. Their videos are very simple, and even a beginner with no video editing skills could create something similar. Look at this, their channel brings in a substantial amount of money. Just 2 hours a day is all it takes to create these kinds of videos. It's not difficult at all. Check out the video I've linked in the description below. Niche 4. Fun facts and interesting information. The channel Life's Biggest Questions creates videos about facts, news, history, and real stories, and it gets a lot of views. This is a niche you can start with if you're not sure where to begin because you can take news from articles and turn them into videos using AI. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do this in detail at the end of the video. Let's check out the other niches first, maybe one of them will be a better fit for you. Niche 5. Luxury lifestyle. If you've noticed, most short videos on luxury topics across all social media platforms get a lot of views, especially those about cars, like the channel Car Vlogger. You can cleverly mix in beautiful images of luxury cars along with AI-generated voiceovers using content from car news websites. This method is pretty simple and easy to do. Niche 6. Motivation and inspiration. Did you know that people's minds are easily influenced by external factors? When they're feeling down, they often turn to motivational clips to help them overcome their difficulties. Take a look at the channel Motivation to Study. They have 4.4 million subscribers and have been creating faceless videos like this for 5 years. To create these videos, you only need good storytelling skills to organize stories in a way that inspires listeners. If you've got this skill, take advantage of it to start earning with YouTube. Okay, now that you've chosen a niche, let's move on to creating faceless videos using AI. Before you start making videos, you'll need a script that hooks your viewers. Here's how I do it. Make a list of all your competitors' channels, the more, the better. Go to their channels, select popular videos, and you'll see which of their videos have the most views. This is a crucial step in writing your video script. If someone else's video has millions of views, it means their content is highly relevant, right? I found a really interesting channel where their videos over the past year have been drawing in millions of views. Now, let's make a video based on their channel's ideas. I'll pick this video from their channel as a demo for you. World's most expensive currency, 170 countries compared. Did you see how they made that video? They just showed images of currency, national flags, and mentioned the value of each currency. It's a great video idea, isn't it? That's why I suggest spending a lot of time watching videos with millions of views. You'll learn many great ideas from them. Okay, now let's use this idea to create a different video. First, I'll use ChatGPT to help me gather information. This ensures that the information we provide to viewers is accurate. Once we have the information from ChatGPT, we can start making the video. I'll use a tool called Invideo AI, and I've included the link in the description below. After signing up for an account, you'll enter a detailed description of the video here. This is the request I've written up. I've also included the 10 currencies I received from ChatGPT. As you can see, I've provided some creative directions. The key points I want the video to cover include mentioning each country in the top 10, their ranking, the main factors behind their currency's strength, and the value of their currency compared to the US dollar. The more detailed your request, the better the results. Now, I'll click on Generate Video. The next step is to set a title for the video. You can see it has automatically titled it Top 10 Strongest Currencies in the World 2024. You can change this title to anything you like, but I'm going to keep it as is. You can also select the audience you want to target with this video. This is really important because it will adjust the script and overall feel of the video based on your target audience. Now I'll click Continue, and as you can see, the system is starting to create our video from scratch. It won't just create the script as I mentioned, but will also add in B-roll footage to illustrate and support everything the script says, and it will also use voiceovers. Let's wait for this process to finish and see the results. Alright, as you can see, we've got our video right here, and you can scroll through it, listen, and even edit. There are several ways you can edit the video that's been created. One of them is to issue an edit command here. I'll start by watching this video to see what's inside. Okay, I'm not really a fan of this music, so maybe we can replace it with something more upbeat. So I'll request quieter and more energetic music. I'll click Regenerate, and now it will analyze the changes I've requested and make those changes in the video. You can change the video's details in different ways. I'll click on Edit here. I don't like this video, so I'll click on it and find another one about taxes. Alright, the next step is to click on Replace. You see, the tax video has now been changed. You can also search for other sounds by clicking Edit Music, listening to a few options, and then clicking Replace. Similarly, you can edit the video script's content by clicking Edit Script. If you want, you can also recreate the video by clicking on the plus sign, changing the audience, style, and platform, and then clicking Continue, and the system will recreate the entire video. When you're happy with your video, all you need to do is click Download. You can choose how you want to export your video. I'll choose to remove the watermark, remove the Invideo AI branding, and select 1080p resolution. As for Invideo AI pricing, they have 3 main plans. They have a free plan that anyone can sign up for to try out. With this plan, you can still play around with the tool and get a good feel for it. Then, they have the Plus plan starting at $20 per month, offering 50 minutes of AI-generated video and other benefits. Finally, they have the Max plan, which is the most recommended if you're serious about mass-producing content. It offers 200 minutes of AI content, and if you need more users, you can add them to your plan. If you pay annually, you get a 20% discount. If you pay monthly, this is their pricing. One useful feature is that you can use your own voice for the video through their voice clones function. This will personalize your video more, helping you connect with your viewers better. You see, to create passive income through YouTube like the channels I shared at the beginning of the video, you need a smarter approach. Instead of writing the script and doing everything yourself, let AI help you. The most important step is still finding a niche with proven million-view content. Choose a niche that suits you. Analyze those million-view videos and use Invideo AI to create something similar. I'm sure if you stay persistent, you'll see success soon. We all go through tough beginnings, but what matters is how you overcome them. Once again, I've left the Invideo AI sign-up link in the description below, so you can sign up and try it out for yourself. If this video helped you gain some useful knowledge, please like and share it. Thank you so much to Invideo AI for supporting this channel and making this video possible. I'll see you all in the next video.